Hello, folks. Let's just try to find out new aspect of getting depth of IDOCs. How to open fields of IDOC. How do you find this basically? Okay, it's very simple. Now slowly we are getting into the depth of IDOCs. In previous session, I have finished the structure of IDOCs. Okay, so now let me try to do this for you. Let's get into the SAP now. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the, what is that? SC, sorry, WE30. Okay. I have already explained what is the basic difference between basic type and message type in previous sessions. So, okay. You can able to choose either extension or basic type. What is this extension? I'll explain in further sessions. For example, purchase order sales. You can take this one, or else you can take mat mass. Okay. So for display, sorry, mat mass 05. Okay, so enhancement single level variants. So now if you display, you can able to find what are all the fields you have. Okay, so like how you have sales document or purchase document, you will have a header and item fields will be there. Like that you can able to see. Okay, this is one way. So now let's get into the, let me show you one more. Okay, order SP, it won't come. Okay, let's give 04. Let's assume. Okay, so let me do one thing. So we can search like this sometimes, or the start press enter. See, so you have a orders GA, purchase orders and sales, you got it. Okay, so let's take one more star. Let's see this, what we can get it. So we got some more information like a purchase and sales and all those stuff. Okay, let's give this like you have a quotation and purchase order or something is there, you take the latest one. Okay, always if you would like to display for standard, you can able to display it. So you can see this even EDK header partner information. This is header condition information header. So in the similar way, okay, item general data also you will have. You can see this item taxes and item conditions and all these things. So you know this IDOC is consists of header and item of the segments in terms of the structure. Now let's try to open, for example, document and header terms of the delivery. I would like to know, okay, what are all the fields for this? Okay, if I double click, you will get the segment type and maximum numbers and a higher level segment editor and all those systems. So now let's go to another window. I see 11. Certain times it is important for functional consultant to know in implementation or else enhancement support project. So what exactly certain field or certain segment fails, and probably you need to check what is the length of that segment and what is the basic advantage in that segment is holding what, how many number of fields and all. Now you look at this, I have the length. So now I got condition code, terms of delivery. Now see this, this is the component. Okay, this is the qualifier. Okay, lcond and text and all this thing. This is how you can able to find it out. Okay, now let's go back. In the similar way, I will show you one more example for your reference. Let's go for matmas 05. See, this 01 and 05 is the highest version what SAP got released for this particular basic type or IDOC type. Okay, I have already explained you in previous session. So now let's come here. So you would like to know the material segment unit of measurement. This segment you would like to know. Okay, so material segment mean European article number. You can see the tables, right? You can able to find it out. Okay, so let's come to the main, this one Marcy, what you have. Okay, this segment I wanted to know. So then I would like to know the segment relevant fields, then come back. This is SC11. Okay, so let's display. Okay, so now these many fields are there. Every segment, some segment having only one or two fields. Some segments you will have n number of fields. Especially the structure like metal master is quite extensive. If you take cremas for vendors and debmas for customers, all these are certain segments are so extensive. Okay, so this is how you can able to find it out. If you wanted to see one more, then let me show you again. Invoice 04. Okay, let's display this. I'm also sometimes forget who will remember all these things. Okay, so let's take. So no. I am at a wrong place actually. So I need to come here. That's why sometimes it happens. Okay, unconsciousness. So let's come here. Invoice. So let's take 04. So let's go here. My basic type INV star press enter. I will get. Okay, here in the system till 02 is there your billing document. Okay, so SD side, this basically they will use it. So now let's display. Needn't remember anything. Follow the technique. You need a practice. Okay, you need a practice. With practice, you can become a whatever you want it. Live about your luck factor. Okay, let's see this. I would like to show you. So how much luck you have? That is lucky enough. Don't think about the future much. Keep working. That is advantage. Okay, sometimes I will talk like this. Don't worry. I don't want to give any gyan. So some professionals will be there for beginners. It is useful. They will feel bad. That's the real time. Okay. They already know this one. You can see this qualifier currency IDOC time like this. You can able to do this. So now you understood what is the basic advantage SC30 versus SC11. How beautifully we understood. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Okay. What is the if you wanted to learn full time, these courses available Udemy at my end, more than 14 plus courses. You just take an advantage. And what is the favorite part of this discussion? I have done this course. Currently it is 3.5 hours. Probably it may go to 5 to 6 hours, whatever I know for IDOCs. I'll try to update it. Here I explained about advantages of you know IDOCs to what is IDOC and why it is IDOC and business processes, and three IDOCs I have created for three business process flows. With this, you can understand this. Okay, so just take an advantage of all these courses before getting into the job. It is very important to prepare for real time. Okay, so if you see this, like I have so many courses for real time. Specifically, if you talk about, I have advantage with one more course. All these courses are very important, but still I'm telling, if you learn outside anywhere also, getting master to write functional specification here not only talks about the title of functional specification. I have detailed, I have broke down the business each and every section with small example, two scenarios. In future it will be updated. It is now 7.5 hours. You better try IDOCs on this. Then if you learn on your own, you are a master of the SAP SD or any C. Okay, Okay, this is common. These two courses are common. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening, patience. Jai Hind, folks. All the best.